Hello everyone, let's draw some different kinds of pictures today. Here I'm using an hand posture and then drawing the picture of the hand, and here let me draw some eyes and shade the eyes, and then again I'm shading an eyes with the eyelashes with the smiling faces. So let me put some circles and I'm going to shade with an yellow sketch lightly all over the faces of the giraffe face, and then I'm using a red color to shade them, and here's a beautiful giraffe face. So let's move on. So here I'm writing 3 and 2 zeros. So I'm drawing an head and the ears and the eyes and the nose and the lips. And let me put some shades to it. So connect this 3 as the legs and draw the tail. Here's a beautiful rabbit shaded with pink. So again I'm drawing a circle and then drawing an eyes and the ears and the horn, and then again a nose and the lips is being drawn, and then legs is being drawn and the body is being drawn. Let's draw the tail of the cow. So here's a beautiful cow picture that has been drawn with hearts. So let me put some shades to the cow with a black and yellow color, to the tail and the heart with a red color. So let me draw a circle, draw the ears, and then your eyes is being drawn and the nose and the lips and the mustache is being drawn. Here I'm drawing a lion body and the tail. So let me put some brown color and yellow color shade. So again I'm drawing an half circle and again an half circle is being drawn, and the legs is being drawn and the tail is being drawn, and then a ears is being drawn. So here's a beautiful elephant with the teeth is being drawn. Let them shade with a black sketch, and the eyes is being drawn with eyelashes. So I need to draw a tail for an elephant. So let me take a blue sketch to shade the elephant body. All over the elephant body is being shaded. So elephant is very big and the fat animal. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a cute rabbit. First I'm drawing an ears and the legs, and then the eyes is being drawn. So let me put some shades to it, and the green shade is being drawn. So here again ears and the eyelashes, eyebrows and the lips and the mustache, and image is like the sleeping. So here the cat is sleeping. So let me draw the tail and shade with the yellow and the pink color. So it's sleeping. So let's move on. So using 2, I'm drawing the beard and the eyes and the nose and the legs. So let me put some shades with the gray color. 2 circles and the ears is being drawn and the eyes is being drawn so slowly, and the mustache is being drawn. So after the mustache is being drawn linely and the legs and the eyes is being drawn, so the circle is being drawn and the tail is being drawn. Let me put some shades to this tiger with yellow color.